こんにちは。
Hello?
ローストビーフを作ります。
You're making roast beef today.
ちょっとやっていきます。今日は
It starts
牛のもも肉です。
like a beef round thigh meat and
胡椒
black pepper.
適当
How as much as you want. And
塩。
salt.
ちょっと粒が大きいんで一旦すりつぶします。
So this one has it's like this. So we're gonna ground this together. Yay. Hmm.
適当です。
And I put this on the beef.
塩はそんなに入れてないです。まあお好みなんですけど、後でソースもかけるんで。
We didn't put salt that much. Well, it depends on your choice, but usually we use sauce when we eat, so we put less salt. Then here, onion powder. Like this. And then back. Same. Like this. And then mustard. Dijon mustard. So onion powder もいいの？
すいません。
And like this. Beta, beta. Put this in a plastic bag and we are going to vacuum. Remove the air from the bag. And then
ネギ
scallion. Slice it and put it in a bag. We're gonna seal this and then remove the air. Wait. We are going to seal this and then remove the air. We bought this from Amazon. But it's cheap. Cheap one. That works. Good. Works. Seal it.
いつも念のため
Just in case we are double sealing. Yeah. Like this, and then no air.
で
Now,
牛肉調理するときって55度から58度ぐらいが多いんですけど、
when you cook beef, usually the temperature is about 50.
5から
5 to
58度59度ぐらい。
58 or 59 is like normal cooking, but
ちょっと、
This time we are doing
52.5
do 52.5
あ
degree.
の不安な人は真似しない方がいいです。
If you are suspicious about this, do with a higher temperature,
55、6
like
度にした方がいい。
55 or 6 degree is better.
で、これで6時間やります。
Leave this here about 6 hours. So cook 6 hours with low temperature.
ローストビーフを仕上げていきます。
Gonna finish up roast beef.
6時間やって、
After we cooked in low temperature about 6 hours,
冷まして冷蔵
then
庫
cool
に入れ
down
て
and then put in the fridge.
寝ちゃいました。
And we slept. Yay.
はい。
でも6時間やった後すぐやってもいいんでしょ？
うん。
Yeah, you don't have to put this in fridge after 6 hours. You can do this right away. Remove the scallion.
これ取っといてください。
Keep this. I'm gonna use this for sauce.
そうです。
Like remove the moisture, like liquid around the meat. And then
オリーブオイル。
olive oil. Just a little bit. Both side.
かけすぎました。
That was a little bit too much.
強火で全ての面に焼き目をつけます。
We're gonna grill in high heat and then make every part color. Like heat the pan really well.
中はもう火が通ってるんで、外側だけ。
The inside is already cooked, so you can just roast grill toast outside.
こっちの感じやります。
Like this.
お肉は完成です。
Meat is done.
これもう中は冷蔵庫に入れて冷たいんで、いいんですけど、もしあったかい状態、ローテンパチャクッカーから出して焼き目つけたばっかの時はちょっと肉を休ませ15分20分ぐらい休ませてから切ってください。すぐに切ると肉汁が出てちゃいます。
So we put this in the fridge before doing this, so it's fine. We can cut right away. But if you did this like right after cooking in low temperature and then the inside is still warm, cool it down for like 15 minutes or so, and then cut, because if it's inside is warm, the juice is coming out, and so yeah. And now making sauce. So here, what's this? Garlic. The pan heated.
これもそんなにこんがり色付けはしないです。
You don't have to cook garlic really well, just a tiny bit.
こ
Now here
でさっきの
the rest of the Italian meat. Now
バターを電子レンジ
butter. We're gonna melt a bit in the microwave. Now
赤ワイン
red wine. Now here butter.
バター溶けたということにして
So melt. Now put some flour. And then mix together. Salt. Salt.
ちょっと水と赤ワインで調整してこんな感じです
I added water and then red wine and then made a little more liquidy.
美味しいです
It's good. See how the meat looks. Like this inside. Okay. Yay.
柔らかいです
It's really soft, nice and tender. Oh.
時間はかかるんですけど
It takes time,
簡
but
単なんで
it's easy and delicious. Try.